All right, so let's talk about GDP. So yesterday we got data out on GDP. Real GDP growth was 6.4% for Q1. That was unrevised. And what we're looking at is personal consumption is up 11.3%. Really it's kind of not a non-issue. Nominal GDP, which is real GDP plus factoring in inflation, is up 11% in Q1. And so basically we're looking at, the numbers that we previously had, were unrevised. I mean, the growth rate is a little under the consensus expectation. Again, we were looking at a scenario where when we're comparing it to a year ago, right? And a year ago, the economy was just beginning to open in certain states. So not a whole lot to see here, in my opinion. Nothing really surprising, but definitely something we want to pay attention to. 11% is a big number. 6.4% is a healthy number, but again, compared to where we were a year ago, it's kind of like being surprised that there's a breeze in your house when you open the windows. This is what happens. So let's see how it plays out from here. May's data is going to be really interesting because we had a lot more flexibility with regards to economic activity as we got further into the summer last year, as things opened up across the country. So we'll see how it all plays out, but definitely want to pay attention to that. Okay, talk to you soon.